Gonna pack a bag, start living my dreams. Find a place where the swan out sings. There must be more to see than the TV shows. Hop aboard the famous Scout TA, head into the countryside for cleaning. Make friends in the city to show me around, who knows. When I'm gone, oh don't miss me when I'm gone. I'll be on the greatest journey since walk home. Way beyond the beaten tracks where I belong. Find my own. Oh, I've climbed the highest mountain, saw the valley from the sky. Even sailed the Yangtze River from Chongqing to old Shanghai. Just so all the sweet adventures of my life won't pass me by. Take a journey through the country where red dragons lurk inside. Emperors, temples, follow dynasties. Terracotta men, ethnic minorities. Myths of dragons, snakes, ghosts and fly monkeys. Ahu and Kung Fu in the park. There's barbecue way after dark. Plaza dancing when the music starts. When I'm gone, I'll be the one who's calling you. Hanging out with the pandas in Chengdu. Wondering how I make music with Chinese goo. Don't know about you. Oh, I've climbed the highest mountain, saw the valley from the sky. Even sailed the Yangtze River from Chongqing to old Shanghai. Just so all the sweet adventures of my life won't pass me by. Take a journey through the country where red dragons lurk inside. Cause I've played around in high building castles out of sand. Just to find myself in Bombay with a snowball in my hand. But the single greatest wonder in this far-off ancient land is the more I learn, the more I find there's left to understand. I've climbed the highest mountain, saw the valley from the sky. Even sailed the Yangtze River from Chongqing to old Shanghai. Just so all the sweet adventures of my life won't pass me by. Take a journey through the country where red dragons lurk inside. Cause I've played around in high building castles out of sand. Just to find myself in Bombay with a snowball in my hand. But the single greatest wonder in this far-off ancient land is the more I learn, the more I find there's left to understand.